looks so much fun. Hello, kids.
Hello, friends.
How are you doing today?
Let's go over there.
Okay, let's do this.
I will show you how. They are going to be so much fun.
Yeah, let's go.
Do you think you could help today?
I will show you how. Let's go.
Amazing looks interesting.
Let's do the next one.
That looks fantastic. Horse,
Pig, cow,
chicken,
dog, cat, goat. You are genius. I'm so proud of you.
See you guys next with new exciting things. Hey, watch out!
Hey, bananas.
Oh, wow! Let's go. Hey, what's going on? There are so many colorful balls.
Hey, kids, are you playing that game again? Yeah, they are going to be so much fun.
Let's go.
Let's go. There are so many colorful balls. This is funny. Ooh, we almost
color. Green color. This is blue. Cyan color. Purple color. Pink color.
That looks fantastic. I'm so proud of you.
See you guys. Yahoo! Hello, friends. First, I will show what I have. Look out! Interesting. Look over here. What shall we do? Well, that has a plan for today. Yeah, let's go. This is funny. That is awesome. Hey, look here. Let's play. Perfect. This is funny. Oh, wow! Hello, friends. What's happening here? Do you think you could help today? You could? Okay, let's do this. Hey, watch out! Oh, wow! Look over here. Oh, wow! Perfect! That is awesome! Amazing looks interesting. Oh, wow! Let's do the next one. This is funny. Look over here. Hello, friends. Wow. Interesting.
Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. There are so many colorful eggs.
Let's go over there. This egg is pink color. What's happening here?
Whoa! Wow! Look at this Tyrannosaurus Rex. Let's go for the next. This egg is purple color. This is Parasaurolophus. This egg is blue. This is Spinosaurus. Perfect. This egg is green color. This is Brachiosaurus. This egg is yellow color.
This is an Ankylosaurus.
This egg is orange color. This is Stegosaurus. This egg is red color. This is Triceratops.
That was wonderful. Thank you.
So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Hey, look out! Hey, watch out! What's going on? What is this? Let's open it up and take a look. Oops. Oh, wow! Amazing, looks interesting. Whoa! They are going to be so much fun. Let's come with us. Let's play. Look over here. Now it's your time. Ooh, have a look here. Over here. Whoa! This is funny. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.